Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's YouTube channel. We have a 2023 LT Crew Cab Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive in the sterling gray. I am absolutely in love with the sterling gray. We'll talk about that in a little more in a minute here. This one does have MSRP of $56,650. We are honoring GM employee and supplier pricing through the rest of the month, which is not much right now. There is, at least in select markets, Chevy loyalty. I want to say it's $2,500 or it might be $2,750 for if you own a 2009 or newer. Some markets it is a conquest rebate for a little bit less. This one has the All-Star Edition, which is going to come with including 20-inch wheels with the grays and pockets. I don't know where they make up these names and information for, but they said they have it. I need to put it on there because it kind of jumps out to me a little bit. Little badging or a little sticker here about the 2.7 high output engine. Working our way around to the back here. Also included in the All-Star package, you have the power sliding rear view mirror, which you can see from the outside here. This one does have, not part of the package, but this is the Chevy Spray Tech, or Chevy Spray Tech. English is hard today. It's got the Chevy spray and bed liner. You're going to have your 12 tie-down points, which come standard on all the trucks. One of the nice features that comes a little bit above and beyond, for example, the LT going versus the custom, you got your LED lighting there. And you do have the Easy Lift power, or Easy Lift tailgate there. This one also has, included in the All-Star Edition, includes the hitch guidance and hitch view for your trailering package. You got your 120 volt outlet there. Corner steps, which you guys know that I like. I'm 6 feet tall, but it's still hard to reach over the top there and grab some things. I already talked about the MSRP. We are honoring GM employee and supplier pricing. Here's the window sticker. I will have a link below with more information. I'm sorry that you had to see my face there. Nobody deserves to see that in the morning, afternoon, or evening. We'll look on the inside. This one does have the all-weather floor liners, dealer installed. You got your outlets for charging for your different smart devices. Take a real quick look here on the inside. Last thing, couple things I want to talk about. We already talked about the floor liners, everything else on the outside. Finally, Chevrolet, thank you so much. 13.4-inch touchscreen radio. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. You can stream music. Of course, you can talk Bluetooth on the phone there. Most importantly, you can run navigation on your vehicle. Personally, I prefer Waze because I want to know where the cops are. I have a little bit of a lead foot. Got the 60/40 split bench here in the front. Theoretically, you could seat 6. I don't know if I would want to personally drive with 3 people up front, but that's a preference more than anything else. And we got some motorcycles going by, so I apologize for that. Also, you have can do Google Maps also on the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, so you can run your Maps feature for the navigation. You got the 12.3-inch digital control center. And most importantly of all, this time of year, it's 73 today in February. Ohio's being really weird this year. You got your heated seats. Normally I'd be talking about that more, but it's really nice and warm out. Last thing, I want to talk about the sterling gray, how I am in love with it. And mostly I'm in love with a little article that came out on GM Authority a couple days ago. Actually might have been earlier this month now I think about it, more than a few days. GM, one of the VPs, said they are going to get, in my words, not theirs, a little more exotic with the colors. You're already starting to see it with like the Trailblazers, which I just thought might have been a one-off. You get that nitro yellow, the vivid orange. But you're starting to see it on the trucks too. Yes, this is still a gray, but this sterling gray is so much better than what they used to do. Silver ice, I'm not seeing it as much anymore, thank goodness. Nothing wrong with silver, just got very tired of it over the years. You're seeing it here with the Glacier Blue. Yeah, I know, they had Pacific Blue before that, but the Glacier Blue is so much better in my opinion. Anyways, I ramble, I apologize. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you for your time. We at Bob Pulte Chevrolet appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the like and the subscribe button. If you don't, leave me constructive criticism. I'm a big boy. I can take it. I know I make a lot of mistakes. And thank you again and have a great day.